Hi folks. So today I'll be just uh, giving you a short video about how we do this prototyping. That's something that we at Virtina follow. So let's say when it comes to e-commerce, uh, it is never a good idea to dive headfirst into development, thinking that you can address the issue as you go along. That is a mistake that could very well cost you valuable time and effort. And yeah, not to mention your money as well. This is where prototyping comes into the picture. Now, a prototype can help you bring your concept to reality and ensure it captures all your requirements right from the initial stages. It is a lack of planning and involvement of the client that often leads to high failure rate in e-commerce, which according to Google is a whopping 80%. Virtina's e-commerce prototyping uses advanced tools like Just in Mind to give you a high fidelity interactive prototyping experience. Having such extensive and detailed prototyping allows you, the client, to be involved and be an active part of the process, ensuring that the site that you want to build is exactly the way you want it. Now, by doing this particular method, that is prototyping, Virtina does the impossible and it turns the industry statistics of an 80% failure rate on its head. So now let me take you or walk you through a prototype for a website that we had worked on. And yep, this is the tool that we use. As I mentioned earlier, it's Just in Mind, the tool that was used to create this prototype. And let me just zoom this. So what just okay, now I just clicked on this menu on the prototype, which basically gives you two options: screens and requirements. Now screens lists out all the screens that are a part of this particular website, or let's say prototype. So when you click on that respective option, so let's say we clicked on add to cart, it takes you to the cart page, or yeah, right there. And then you can click on the thank you page. It takes you to the page which pops up after you made a purchase or after checkout, after you place order. And then you can click on let's click on home screen, and we are back at the start. And then there is this tab which is requirements, and yep, when you click on all requirements, you can see all the requirements, or yep, all the requirements that are a part of this particular project, or are a part of this particular website that you as a client would want to build. Now, let's say if this is too much and we just want to see the requirements of one particular page, all you have to do is click on this screen, and it shows you all the requirements that are a part of this particular page. For instance, let's say we click on popular manufacturers. It gives you a description of what this requirement is all about. And when you click on view components, there it highlights that particular portion, letting you know that this requirement is uh, is actually referring to this portion over here, or this component over here. So that's how the menu works of this tool, which is Just in Mind. And now let's say you as a client, once we give this to you to review, you want to add your own comments. You want to let us know that you'd like a particular change over here. So all you have to do is just click on this option that you see over here, and yeah, then you have the option to highlight what you want, or what you would like to address. So let's say search. We can add a new comment. So let's say make it green, and then You can just click on add, and there there is a comment associated with that particular component. Now, once you add that comment, we at Virtina, we will get a notification stating the fact that you have have commented on this. We could take a look at it, and we could do the necessary from there. We could provide you with our suggestions, or we could just you know do it as per your suggestion, as you had mentioned in that particular comment. And then once you are done with all the comments, or once you're done with commenting each and every component, all you have to do is click on this little play button over here, and that would then stop you from commenting any further, unless you hit that comment button again. So now I'm just taking you through a normal. I'll be checking out. I'll be buying a product. It's not a real purchase or transaction. It's just showing you how this website that we had worked on works. So yeah, choosing categories, and it takes you over here. Let's choose a category over here. Okay, so let's yeah, you can either have, if this is a product that you would like to uh, purchase or order, all you have to do is click on add to cart over here, and that would directly take you to the cart page. But at the same time, if you do want to let's say if you want to adjust the quantity, you can do that over here and then click to add to cart, and that would be that would reflect on the cart as well. Now, all this is just a prototype, so I was just telling you that this is where you can type in the quantity, or there would be yeah, there would be this drop downs where you can select the quantity. As of now, we are not able to do that, but like I said, this is just a prototype. So let's just take this product, and then yeah. So this is how the product page looks. And then let's go ahead and have this added to cart, and yep, let's go ahead and place order. And this is the checkout page where we can go ahead and select the shipping method, and type in your address and your billing address, and select the payment method that you wish to pay, and then you click on place order. And there it takes you to the thank you for shopping with us page, and when you click on continue shopping, it would take you back to that page with all the products. So yeah, just wanted to give you a clear picture of what we do when it comes to the prototyping phase. So for more information, please do visit our website, which is www.virtina.com, and you can contact us anytime, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.